Every day, a lot of destruction is caused due to fire. True, most homes have fire alarm installed, but during daytime, everyone is away from their home to work. So, even though the home fire alarm starts ringing, nobody is alerted about its warning if we are away from our home. Hence, nothing can be done to stop the fire hazards. First Fire Alert is the world's first $1 application to communicate the warning of ringing home fire alarm immediately to your phone when you are away from your home. When the home fire alarm starts ringing, First Fire Alert initiates a call to your phone or the local fire brigade to alert you. On getting the alert, necessary steps to stop the fire hazards can be taken. Similar competing products cost hundreds of dollars. For just $1, First Fire Alert can help save lives and prevent fire hazards. Being very affordable, the target market for this application is over 100 million. Thank you.